Hey guys, so don't mind this, it'll dry, it's just water. So today I'm going to do a chit chat get ready with me, and I'm not necessarily going to say all of the products that I use. So I have finals today, and I'm so not excited about that, but hopefully it'll all be okay. Y'all will probably see this a week or two after finals. So oh, and I put some moisturizer and I sprayed my Mario Badescu spray on after I got out of the shower. So it's only around 10 o'clock, almost 10:30, and I've gotten a lot of stuff done. Put my hair up. I have I got up, went to the gym, then I came back home, ate some breakfast, and then took a quick shower. Then I had to go run to the bank. I had to go, what's my hand doing over here? I had to go to the pharmacy for my mama. Then I have finals. At like around 1. I might have to drive to another location though, because the way it's set up is you have to schedule your proctored exams, and I tried scheduling them at the beginning of this week, which was really stupid of me. I should have scheduled them way before, and I usually do, but not this time apparently. So we have a campus here where I live, in the town where I live, and then there's one about, oh my gosh, my lips look horrible. There's one, I think there's one 20 minutes away from me, and one that is the actual campus. It's about 25 to 30 minutes away in a different direction. So I might have to end up going there because they might not have any spots for me here. But I will get my midterms. I will get my finals taken today. I have to take 3. I took 2 on Tuesday, and then I was supposed to take 3 on Tuesday and then take 2 today, but instead I had something come up on Tuesday and I wasn't able to make it back to take the 3rd one, so I gotta take them today. So this is just my Peach Perfect powder by Too Faced, and I'm just going everywhere. Alrighty. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm just wiping that. So I'm just wiping that bake away. Now I'm going to bronze a little bit. So, like I was saying, I really hope I don't have to drive about 20-30 minutes. But will if I have to, obviously. I got my nails did yesterday for Christmas. It's a little early, but I keep nails on pretty good, so hopefully I can keep them on as long as I kept my last set on. Kept my last set on for about a month. Oh y'all, I'm trying these new hair products out. Well, they're not all new, but I've got the Garnier Fructis, it's like papaya shampoo and conditioner. And then I bought this from Walmart. It's a locking coconut curls finishing mist. I love this. And then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. palette. This is the light blush palette. And I'm gonna mix, I think these three together. Just using the same brush. That little spot right there. Something happened with my foundation. Don't know what. And down there. I don't know. Now I think I'm gonna use this e.l.f. palette. It's the Mad for Matte. If I can get it open. Got it. Take a fluffy brush. Go into here. Just a light transition. So I'm excited for Christmas break. We literally just got out of Thanksgiving break, but today is the last day of anything in my classes. I've not had any homework or anything like that, so I just have my final today, and I'm so excited because we don't have to do anything else until January the 7th, y'all. Since I'm in all online classes. So I'll have that whole time to do whatever I want. Oh, I was thinking about doing Vlogmas, but posting like one vlog a week. That way, since I'm just kind of new to YouTube, like that way I won't like overwhelm myself. You get me in the Christmas spirit, which I already am. I put my tree up like 2 weeks ago before Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving was last week. Now I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this contour set. It's IBY Beauty. And I'm just going to, is this the right brush? No. I'm gonna take Precision Foundation Brush by Lexi. I'm just gonna go in with this color right here. Just a little bit. I'm just gonna take this big brush. I'm gonna take this gel eyeliner by Maybelline. Okay, so I'm sorry if y'all are in the wrong place, but so my camera stopped recording. And I looked back at the footage and it stopped recording when I put the eyeliner in my waterline. So, did that. Then I took my e.l.f. palette again. Gotta make sure it's going. Took an e.l.f. palette and I just took the lightest, that light shade that I put in my crease. I think it was, well, anyway, I took this shade and put it in my crease. Sorry, I might be blinding y'all. And then I just buffed it out with a pencil brush. Then then after that I took this again and I put it at the top of my I put some on my lid. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay, so it stopped again. Okay, so I put Brink on my lips and I had chapstick on, so that's why it's a matte, but it looks a little bit you know, more moisturizing, because I had Carmex or Vaseline on my lips before. I just sprayed my face with Morphe setting spray, and I think that's it. Oh, I added Pixie by Petra highlighter before I did the setting spray. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I want to do more chit chat get ready with me's in the near future. I really love this look. It's just neutral and everyday, you know. So if y'all enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope y'all have an amazing day. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. Why won't you stop?